Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check if it's possible how to fix the people not showing on Telegram, Android, so let's start. First, well, let me tell you something. This is supposed to be a new feature from Telegram. However, this feature is not working to everyone. And this feature is only for business. It's not for people because, well, Telegram is something that keeps private information about people, users, and well, if you find it the nervy people, well, it will be public and it will be good for other users. So the only thing that it do it's for business on Telegram. So you can find our business but not people. So it's important to know it because many people say that it's possible, but no, it's possible to do it. So it's important to mention it. And well, if you try it, well, maybe you can do it with a third app. However, it's not recommended because you can be banned by Telegram or something else. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.